Scattered showers and storms continue this morning over a large part of northwest Arkansas and the River Valley, especially in far eastern portions of our weather coverage area, observing some pretty heavy rainfall moving towards Newton County right now in and around Jasper. More sporadic rain just off to the north and west of Eureka Springs. We've got a string of flash flood warnings in effect right now along Interstate 40. There's one right there that includes Ozark. That goes until 9 a.m., but likely going to see that dropped off a little bit earlier with those showers and storms starting to wind down there in Ozark. A little bit more shower and storm activity in and around Clarksville still. Flash flood warning goes until 9 a.m. for Johnson and Logan County, and then one more in effect for far eastern portions of Johnson and Logan County. This goes until 9 a.m. as well as those showers and storms progress off to the east. But look at all this rainfall that we've seen over the last 24 hours, folks. A little over 6 inches of rain just off to the south and east of Clarksville. How about 8 inches of rain near Scranton in Johnson County, and then 5 inches of rain just off to the south of Ozark. Northwest Arkansas didn't receive as much rain last night, but over the last 24 hours, we've seen a little over 6 inches of rain in Benton and Madison County, with more to come as that energy continues to swing off to the south and east, folks. We just have this constant influx of shower and storm potential. In fact, we've already got some more development going on in eastern Oklahoma right now. We've got this big-time trough of low pressure located right smack dab in the middle of the state, but all this energy is moving off the Rocky Mountains right now, and this is why tomorrow afternoon could be a pretty big day in terms of flash flooding and even severe weather potential. Now, the Northwest Arkansas day planner for this afternoon is looking pretty good, about a 20 to 30% chance for rain, a little bit better than what we saw over the weekend. Rain chances will be increased along and south of Interstate 40 in the River Valley. But look at tomorrow morning, a 100% chance for showers and storms and a 90% chance for rain as we move throughout Tuesday afternoon. And again, we do have some severe weather threat. This is the day one outlook. This is mainly for tomorrow morning before 7 a.m. Level 1 out of 5 marginal risk in place along Interstate 49. Main concern is going to be damaging wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour. However, there is a very low tornado threat, and that risk could increase as we move towards tomorrow afternoon. Day 2 outlook has a level 2 out of 5 slight risk for a large part of northwest Arkansas and the River Valley. Few tornadoes, certainly not out of the realm of possibility, especially in the River Valley as that instability starts to increase the farther south and west you go. Now today, instability will be a little bit more lacking. That's because of all the cloud coverage that's in place. You can see those showers and storms sticking around the River Valley through about 1, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I think rain chances will start to taper off later on today, but overnight tonight and early tomorrow morning, a big-time line of showers and storms is going to develop in northeast Oklahoma. That's going to eventually push its way into northwest Arkansas. This will mainly be a damaging wind threat. However, the River Valley is probably going to avoid most of this rainfall. So look at those temperatures along and south of Interstate 40, warming up very quickly Tuesday afternoon. And these thunderstorms that develop in the afternoon hours, folks, are going to be no joke. These are full-on supercells that are moving through our weather coverage area. You can see some very heavy rainfall popping up around 6, 7 o'clock Tuesday evening, and that will continue throughout the overnight hours as well. So that flooding potential will start to ramp up. We'll keep an eye on that severe weather threat as well early Wednesday morning. Again, it's a narrow window for tornado potential, but we're still going to be watching it very closely tomorrow afternoon. You can see that significant tornado parameter starting to increase right around 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and then continue throughout the early evening hours. In terms of additional rainfall totals, about 3 to 5 inches of rain possible in northwest Arkansas and the River Valley, with locally higher amounts along the Interstate 40 corridor. So a lot of information to get to, I know. 100% chance for showers and storms tomorrow. An alert day is in place for that severe weather and flash flooding potential. Thankfully, this weekend is looking much better. Highs will be in the middle to upper 70s for Saturday. Overnight lows feeling very fall-like in the upper 50s, so make sure you have plans to get outside by the time we get to the weekend. River Valley highs will be right around 85 degrees today, 81 tomorrow with a 90% chance for showers and storms before temperatures drop off into the upper 70s on Wednesday and Thursday with decreasing rain chances.